Okay, talking more about Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies stands as a very differentiating feature also between plants and animal cell. How is it so? When Golgi bodies is seen in case of animal cells, you have seen it is in a complex relation with endoplasmic reticulum and all. But when we talk about plant cells, here you can see it's a diagram of a plant cell. Here you can see these Golgi apparatus are lying as separate. They are lying separate. They are not in association with anything else. They are there as a separate entity, and hence Golgi apparatus in case of plant cells are also termed as dictyosomes. It's a kind of differentiating between plant and animal cells. In animal cells, they are in a complex state with endoplasmic reticulum and all, whereas in plant cells they are found separate units, and these are called dictyosomes, as the diagram also shows you. Okay, moving on to the other slide. Coming on to the function, as I have already discussed about the function, as I told you how the protein was entering from the cis phase of Golgi apparatus and was discharged as secretory vesicle from the trans phase of the Golgi apparatus. So its function is, पहला तो storage हो जाएगा, भाई जो भी चीज उसके अंदर घुसेगी it will be stored for some time. So storage is this function. Then via that channels of cisterns, it undergoes various kinds of modifications. उसमें बहुत सारे modifications होते हैं, कुछ नए molecules add किए जाते हैं, कुछ उनके निकाले जाते हैं. So it's a kind of modification also which is going around in that. And then it is ultimately packed into vesicles and is discharged from Golgi apparatus. So we can say the major function of Golgi apparatus is secretion, and hence it can also be termed as secretory organelle of the cell. Therefore it is also known as secretory organelle of the cell, and it has been seen that it is involved in formation of lysosomes also. ठीक है, lysosomes के भी formation में help करते हैं because they are in close relation with endoplasmic reticulum. The proteins which are found in lysosomes are formed in endoplasmic reticulums. They undergo modification in Golgi bodies, and then these modified proteins are then released in form of vesicles, and those vesicles can be your lysosomes also. I hope this is clear. Okay, and next which we will be targeting is lysosomes.